I was curious about how to make content that could make $1 online. So I wrote down 3 things that I've done in the past where I've been able to make at least $1 on the internet with content. And it's right over here, and I'll show you what it's called. It's called my Just Curious style. This is just the way I do it, so I just thought I would show you. So I show people how to make $1 on the internet. Because if you can make $1, I mean, how many could you make? So what I do to create content, I find something that is valuable and interesting, simple, it's useful, it's valuable. And then I'm just like, I'm curious how this would work. So it's like, I'm curious, what if somebody figured out how to make $1 online? Don't you think they could make more? So then I would go get the math on that and break that down. So that'd be valuable to somebody. Then I would just, when I break it down, just like here, I've got 3 points, just create a rule of 3 map. This is just, I can't cover everything. I'm just showing you some ideas here. So just create a rule of 3 map. So I'm covering 3 points. My topic is easy content to make $1. It's called my Just Curious style. And that's what I did. I just created a good hook and headline. I introduced myself on the camera to start for like a short time. And then what I'm sharing with you is simple, useful, and valuable. And that's all I'm doing. Exactly what I'm doing right now. And you can't even see my face the whole time. It's faceless content. So you could just break down different points because now I've got your attention and you're watching this and you're learning from it and it's valuable. And that's all you have to do. It's just break something down. Be curious. Be curious about something. What if somebody did this? Or I wonder how much people actually make online. Or I wonder how somebody could make their first $1 if they did this. It's simple. You're just helping somebody see something more clear and just use the rule of 3. 1, 2, 3. Create a good hook and a headline with just simple, useful value. And if people want to know more about what you're talking about, or if they like it, they know how to find you. You don't have to do call to actions or anything. So give this a try. I've been doing this, and to me, it's easy content, to make $1 online. And if you can make 1, I mean, how many could you really make?